solution is for the apartment owner who is not living near the apartment. How to manage the door lock and how to give out keys to the renter. First, log in with the Managing app. To set up door locks, now we have the Bluetooth door lock on the list. We try. Here we can add the lock name. Okay, so we can also share key to phone user. Here we choose to send out guest key. We input guest mobile number here. Here we can choose check-in and check-out time. Okay. Now, if this is a guest mobile, if it is the first time to install the app, the guest will receive a short message with the app link and code to log in. Now we can log in with the mobile number and the code. We see here to be received. This is the Bluetooth key that just sent. We choose accept. Click. It is open.